Hello everyone, in this video I want to share with you how to create a professional looking background for my favorite live streaming third party tool, aka Streamyard. This is a question that I got asked a lot. I have been live streaming for almost 4 years and I can't say enough about how live streaming has transformed my life and 10 times my business growth and so much more. In some of my early videos, I talked about how becoming a live streamer really helped me grow my business and transform my life. So in this video, I want to share with you another question that I got asked a lot, which is how do you create this professional looking background for your StreamYard videos? So let's get started. And I'm going to share my screen. So this is my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Classroom Without Walls. Okay. And so as you can see, I have quite a few videos here. Okay. All of them are, let me make this a bit bigger. Hold on, let's make this bigger. Okay, so you can see my videos and the background is very consistent. It's red and black, which is the color of my brand. And so I have it here. Like for example, my mug, that is my logo, and black, white, and red. So that's my color. So the background, you see there's the red. And let me click on one. This is one that I just recently did with Dennis Yu. But you can see, let me make this smaller. And I see I have my name here, my social media here, and my own logo, Live with Dr. I. And at the bottom, I talk about, so what is the topic of this video? So this background literally took me like 10 seconds to create. So I'm going to show you how you can do the same. If you love it, if you want to have a professional background like this, make sure you keep watching. Okay, so let's go back to StreamYard. And so this is already here is something that I already scheduled for my upcoming live streaming show. So I'll show you here. So let's say that we enter the studio. So I'm going to mute myself. And so here we are on the backstage, and you can see this is my background. Okay, very, very cool looking. And I can put myself there, and or like I can change here. But if you're interested in learning more about StreamYard, I have another video explaining to you. You can check it out in the comment section. So here I'm going to show you how did I create this amazing looking, I think, professional background. And so here on the right side of the screen, you will see comments and banners, brand, and all those things. And so let's so what you need to do is to click on brand. Once you click on brand, and you can see there are quite a few things. This is the logo and like a number of different options that you can use. Okay, so to create a professional looking background, there are only two things that you need to take care of. So one is the overlay. The other thing is the background. Okay, so let's start with the background. So this is the one that I created. So this is the one that StreamYard give you default. And this is the overlay that I created. And if I didn't create any overlay, or you can always use StreamYard's default. And this is like just like nothing, like just like blank, which I don't like it. I like to add some colors. This is my real estate. Why not take advantage of this opportunity to promote myself, right? So let's see how you can create the background. So background here, you see the question mark here. So the question mark here, once you move your mouse here, you can see the recommended dimension, which is this number 1280 times 7020. So then what you need to do is let's go to let's go to Canva, which is my favorite graphic design tool. Okay, so let's go to Canva. So we're here on Canva, right? And then what you need to do, instead of using any of their pre-made templates, so you create a design here and you enter the dimension that we just got from Streamyard, which is 1280 times 7020. And then once you enter the numbers and click on create new design, boom, 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 boom. Here you got the ideal size for your StreamYard background, okay? And I just like, you can select whatever you want from here. And then, look, this is exactly what I created, so right? So I don't need any of them, I just delete them, I delete all of those, that's it. This is, how long did that take us? Like 2 minutes or maybe even 1 minute, right? So once you have this and you download this, okay, you PNG, you download this and then you go back to StreamYard and then you click on this, you upload what you have just downloaded, okay? So which is exactly here. I just deleted the irrelevant stuff, has nothing to do with my brand. So I did this, okay? So this is only part of the picture. Now I have this background. You also want to create the overlay, which is, this is a StreamYard default, okay? And so this is the overlay that I created for myself, right? Has my name here, my social media handle, which is consistent across social media and live with Dr. I. Okay, so how did I create this? The same thing, super easy. And so you click on here, you click on the question mark and you look at the dimension, okay, which is exactly the same as the dimension for the background. And then you go to Canva and you create a design and then you enter the information, which is this 1280 times 720, and then you create a new design, right? So here we're doing the overlay, which will probably need some work. And so what you do, you can use, if you want to use what I do, I literally just use like different, you can use different shapes. So I think I used a shape kind of like a big arrow, things like that. And you can choose whatever you want. And let me see which one I like. Or you can use this hand, right, live with Dr. I, or you can use this. I think this is what I used. This is way too big. You can make this a bit smaller if it's too fat. Right. So I don't have time to make this perfect. And you can say, and after this, you can add the text. And for example, live with Dr. I, that's exactly what I had. So you move this here. And you also probably want to add your own logo, which I did. And then here, I actually have a folder of my logos. And so what I do, because the background is already white, so I want to use my white logo. So, but if you don't like that square thing, let's go back to elements. And then it's not using shapes. You do this frame. So you drag this, okay? So now we get a really nice circle frame. I love it. Looks pretty good already. Again, as I said, I don't really have time to make this perfect, right? So that's it. If you want to make your overlay as simple as this, you can do this. I think what I did, I also added this because the background already has that reddish bubble. So what I did was just I just added my social media handle. And then that's it. So once you save this, once you did this, so you want to just download this. The only thing with the overlay, you want to make sure the background is transparent. Okay, so you click on this and then you download this. So once you download this, you go back to StreamYard. Look, this is exactly, let me remove my background so you'll know exactly how my overlay looks like. So you can't really see the character because it's a black color. So literally I created this and then I wrote down my name. That's really just my overlay. And then once you have this, and then you also add the background that you have created, you have this professional looking, amazing looking background for your StreamYard. So next time when you go live, you will have a look like this, and you can thank me later. This is exactly, it looks really professional and people really love it. I love this myself. And you can design this differently. Canva has so many pre-made templates, or you can create your own. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Dr. I. I'm the founder and the CEO of, I'm trying to make this larger, I can't, but I'm the founder and CEO of Classroom Without Walls, where we help teenagers and young adults to gain real life skills, confidence, and motivation to create and land their dream jobs to fulfill their life calling. So check me out, check out Classroom Without Walls. I hope you love this video and give StreamYard a try and try to design this professional looking video. And in the comment section, I have a link for you to check out StreamYard for free for 2 weeks. So check it out and shoot me a message if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.